Kublai people baro thì kamera thamaim ta po SSC combined graduate level CGL segment 25 apply online ki post ki balaja du kharsau hajar sans pa prapo artali post mo tabta itu ki candidate ki bakwa ban apply kini ki ban to exam jum ta usne ma dar san phila ban puli bha pej bahaya ki notification baro antaka notification kan bu aka description kunjonga kum juru bapin klik hati ke link bang kan sabu mo Badam taki information ki bakam bun pila man page kani ki video hadu ka bakut kana bapin tibha shaba pin tebe kani ka post mo kini ki balaj menta nomor kilai hadu kata wajar transfer property ki post pila ban apply nomor kandon jumato menta ka jung piru mo berkunjung menta ka important date ka application ka sedang du kanai tarik benai video ada jarusan kelas date man apply online kadai ka sau tarik jung benai Julai ada jarusan tang hadu kapor kadui beje menstem Taka online fee payment last date kadeh kasan tarik benai banyo ada pesan correction date kadeh nadu kanai tarik kadu tarik jauh benai Julai ada pesan ke exam date tier 1 kadeh khatlai hadu laipo Agos ada pesan kamu khatlai tarik hadu laipo tarik ter kindon witi ke exam hadu laipo tarik mah jauh benai Agos admit card kansa kinsa pelaj hak shwa jongka exam hak shwa ka sausni dan hak shwa jongka shtayo shaban ka pinto ya ka exam Badam taka exam date tier 2 pat kadeh hau benai Desember termo Badam taki application fee naik taki general OBC bad EWS kadeh sispa Badam taki SC ST bad PH kadeh kidai ban kadeh free mo dan kam jung sew kadang kolong free baik latang ladap hidon jung baklai ladap hidon kamban dan kam correction dan kamban penbaik jung bakla pihak ban sew arspa ladap pi bakla tang sin ladap bakla arsen ya kaju pihak ban sew sanspa ya kabar arsen mo teh bapi correction bap sew kepisa por bapi le correction kan mau pihak ban sew napo debit card lani credit card lani net banking lani UPI fee mood on demo tang na kita ki online pihak ban le mo Berantaka age limit ke minimum kadai kat pas nem seneng berka maksimum kadai arpunyo hadu lai pu arsnem berkutkum ka relaxation extra aspel SSC CGL graduate level exam segment rule katkum ki rule jongka SSC CGL mo kira man ki maximum age dan ki minimum age ki jongpi Bersesin pa nam taki total post kidon hadu kar sawajar sans pa prapu artili ki post berki post nim kidon tang hadu sautli tambah nakin di sautli kin don ru laki jongki department wise mo tang di pinta post menikong ka di junior sekitar statistical officer ka qualification ka di bachelor degree in any stream subject with 60% marks in mathematics at 10+2 inter level or bachelor degree in any subject with statistic as one the subject in degree level badam takam post baar kade statistical investigator grade 2 kamtaka qualification kade bachelor degree in any subject with statistics as one of the subject badam taka balai kade research assistant in National Human Rights Commission NHRC Bantaka qualification kade bachelor degree in any stream from any recognized university in India Bantaki we pat ki post ki batam kide a qualification kade bachelor degree in any stream from any recognized university in India mo tang ini pentai ki pre level jo ki ki post badi ki department badi ki age limit kat ki department mo post nim kade assistant section officer ASO department kade central secretariat service nanta kanon ka age limit kade art post nim lulai post nim beranta ka department intelligence bureau kade kat pras nim hadulai post nim beranta ki ministry of railway kade art post nim hadulai post nim batna ministry of external affair kade lai art post nim hadulai post nim beranta ki AFHQ kade art post nim hadulai post nim beranta ki ministry of electronic and information technology kade kat pras nim hadu lai post nim ki maximum berki minimum age ke pay level kade pay level 7 ngan sedang hadu 1,000 kendai spa hadu ka cilak sau pu hajar sau spa mo Berkepus assistant section officer ASO berke department kade orders ministries department organization kade khat prasnem hadu lai postnem berki inspector of income tax ka department CB DT kade khat prasnem hadu lai postnem berka post inspector central excise ka department kade CB JC batkasnem kade khat prasnem hadu lai postnem berka post inspector preventive officer CB IC khat prasnem hadu lai postnem berka post inspector examiner CBIC kadi khat prasnem hadu lai postnem berka post assistant enforcement officer AEO department Directorate of Enforcement Department of Revenue kate ka limit kadi khat prasnem hadu lai postnem berka post sub inspector SI Central Bureau of Investigation CBI kadi postnem hadu lai postnem mtaka inspector post kadi ka Department of Post Ministry of Communication berka H kadi khat prasnem hadu lai postnem mo berka post inspector Department kadi Central Bureau of Narcotics Ministry of Finance berka H limit kadi khat prasnem hadu lai postnem berka post section head ka department kadi Director General of Foreign Trade ka H limit kadi khat prasnem hadu lai postnem berka minimum berka maximum age dukumju berka nepat kadi ka post kiba hapa po jongka pay level 6 pat kan sedang hadu lai pesan hajar sauspa hadu ka silap khat ar hajar sauspa mo tengin pintai ki post menikong assistant section officer ASO department kadi order ministries department organization ka age limit kadi khat prasnem hadu lai postnem kumjuru ka post kebaar kadi executive assistant CBIC ka age limit kadi khat prasnem hadu lai postnem bantaka post keba lai kadi research assistant RA bantaka department kadi National Human Rights Commission NHRC ka age limit kadi khat prasnem hadu lai postnem bantaka divisional account post divisional account ka department kadi officer under C and AG ka age limit kadi khat prasnem hadu lai postnem bantaka post sub inspector SI kadi national ka department kadi National Investigation Agency NIA ka age limit kadi khat prasnem hadu lai postnem hi berka post sub inspector SI nani junior intelligence officer JEO ka department kadi Narcotics Control Bureau MHA ka age limit kadi khat prasnem hadu lai postnem berki post executive assistant ka department kadi CBIC berka age limit kadi khat prasnem hadu lai postnem mtaka post research assistant RA National Human Rights kadi khat prasnem hadu lai postnem Panamtaka post divisional accountants kadi ka department officer under C and AG kadi khat prasnem hadu lai postnem mtaka sub inspector SI National Investigation Agency NIA kadi khat prasnem hadu lai postnem pamtaka sub inspector SI Junior Intelligence Officer JEO kabahapa po department Narcotics Control Bureau khat prasnem hadu lai postnem bat kamtaki post Junior Statistical Officer GSO ka department kadi Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation ka age limit kadi khat prasnem hadu lai postnem bamtaki Statistical Investigator Grade 2 Ministry of Home Affairs kadi department batka age limit kadi khat prasnem hadu lai postnem bamtaki post office superintendent bamtaki department kadi CB DT ka age limit kadi khat prasnem hadu lai postnem kadipat bamtaki tu post ki bahapa po ka level pay level 5 kadi ar kandai hajar arspa ka shibnai kan poi hadu kandai pu ar hajar lai spa ka shibnai post menikong kadi ka auditor bamtaka department kadi office under C and AG ka age limit kadi khat prasnem hadu ar punyosnem bamtaka department office under CG DA ka age limit kadi khat prasnem hadu ar punyosnem bamtaka department Others Ministry Department ka age limit kadi khat prasnem hadu ar punyosnem berka post accountant ka department office under C and AG kadi khat prasnem hadu ar punyosnem badam taki accountant ka Department Controller General of Accountants kadikat first name hadu arpunyos name badam taki accountant junior accountant ki Department Order Ministry Department kadai kat first name hadu arpunyos name perkenipan ki post ki bahapa po ka pay level 4 kadai arpusan hajar sanspa hadu ka perpui hajar sispa bagi post kilong kumni ka post tal assistant PA sorting assistant SA department kadai Department of Post Ministry of Communication kadai kat first name hadu arpunyos name badam taki senior secretariat assistant SSA upper division clerk UDC ka department kadai central government officer ministries other than CS and CS kader estimate kadai first name hadu arpunyos name taka senior post senior administrative assistant SSA ka department kadai military engineering service Ministry of Defense kadai first name hadu arpunyos name bad ka post tax assistant kadai C ka department CBDT bad CBIC ka islimin kadai first name hadu arpunyos name bad ki post name ka post sub inspector SI department kadai Central Bureau of Narcotics Ministry of Finance ka islimin kadai first name hadu arpunyos name tadin pel page kini baro ki post name bar kunjur ki department bar ki estimate kini kilong ki ba important bahan mar show pin tab pidan kam ki estimate ki jung phi ki nu ki kam ba phi ban tab bar kunjur ki post name ki ba long eligible nam taka qualification ki jung phi page nam taki page bhai ki post name kini ki pay level bar ki department bar ki estimate kunjur ki belong eligible nam taka qualification ki jung phi page bhai kini ki post name bar kunjuru page bhai ki qualification ki pay hap haka ning pandep ki jing poli ki jung phi bar kunjuru kumno bepin apply ki SSC CGL 2025 exam online form haka baning kongdu phi haban registration yaku OTR kabut ba on time registration namtaka nika OTR registration phi habala ban lejapo SSC government.in namtaki tu candidate ki bompat apply ki bompat dep ban register ka OTR kimla ban apply ma rei phi haban lejapo SSC website official website apo OTR registration ata phi registration ata anda phi dep phi long ban register lande ban apply ki ki kam ki balai ani tu kini ki post CGL ma badam taka passport size nika photo instruction phim dan kam ban submit ka do passport ke jung phi rei ek ban kam rei phi ban por ba phi upload lani por ba phi register kini account lani por ba phi thabi ki post ki jung phi ban panan kam daka webcam kamod ba phi ban kam daka live camera pan kam daka phone phi ban page ba ka phone phi le daka video ma bar mau kala dur ki jung phi ke de ba ka kli jung phi ke de ban page ba po jung ka camera page straight nata ka background kari ban long karong li bar ka bakam sai mo bar kunju ba phi apply subha banda puli bha yaki instruction haswa phin apply yaki ni post piran kam ban te bha kham dia ekinu ki post ki ba long eligible nam ta ka jong phi tekan mau phi ban biang lupa yi dokumen ki jong phi baro nam ta ki handwriting nam ta ki eligibility ki qualification nam ta ki ID proof ki jong phi nataki address detail i basic detail kum juru haban kam ban scan ki dokumen ki jung phi haka de ka form nataka photo nataki sign ki ID nataki thom proof lani ki sign kum juru hatin phila de panda pi ki form subha ban check ba sai sen ki te ki jing panda pi jung phi hatu ki labiang ne em ban nam ta ki tu ki candidate ki ba dan kam ban seu ye ka fees nam ta ka kini ki post nam ta ki tu ki bomdai ki SCST phaban seu no lupa badam ta ki tu ki ba dei ki SCST pim dan kam ban seu hadin ba phila develop baro kan mau phaban print ki ki form ki jung phi application form nang ta pin sabu harade adin namar kin sadan kam por ba phi haban ro ki admit card ki jung phi akashwa jung ka exam paniro iphem taki link ki ba pher Ka apply online ngan sabu ikini ki website ya po jong ka description ka jonga phila ban klik ikini hap pin sampai ya po du ngan sabu kinsa pau kini ki kini ki link bapin apply lan bapin download ki notification waro ka kadi menikong kadi apply online phila ban klik kini ka link ka baar kadi ka download SSC CGL notification phila ban klik ngati ka link pin sayu ban download kini ka notification jong kani ka post CGL penata lada pikwa download ika syllabus SSC CGL ada pesan entah tier 1 kebut kidi tier 1 kebut kaya kidi kiba kam important but entah tier 2 kebut kadai kiba kam long lower ani kalong kata secondary baru kani pat kani entah tu ki image kiba resize sapor bapi sembit kini kidur lan kini dokumen lada kipan lada kahetan ka kayak size tentang pihaban resize haban klik nak ke link ban taka official website yang SSC pihaban klik ke link ke bah apa do mo tang kini jemtem ngan wara HP menta kudu sibun